Hey guys, so I don't typically do vlog videos, but you guys keep asking me what it is that I do. So let me show you what I did today. I came out here and this is let me show you size reference, right? So this is about 4 feet tall. That's about 5 feet tall. And let me explain what that is. That's about, I don't know, 2 or 3 feet tall, but it's kind of smaller. So this is my compost pot from last year, and it's completely ready to go. So what that means is you can just go and plant stuff right in it. Now this pile I started later after that one was already finishing up, so I didn't want to keep mixing it, so I started this one. Now the problem with this one is I went into my forest and throw in a whole bunch of weeds and this kind of stuff. And unfortunately, and like these are the thorny ones, some of this. And unfortunately, when you throw this and mix it into that, it just stays there and actually grows very well. Like this is a brand new root. Nice and thick and white and healthy. You see that? That's healthy. So what happened was, because I mixed it all in, I mean, I still got a bunch I gotta go through and try to get out, but I spent about 2 hours basically turning this pile was actually this big. So I basically separated all of that from that, and I'll never make that mistake. So if you guys have weeds, you have to set them out separately, let the sun scorch it and completely kill it first, then it'll start kind of dying off by itself. But like even this was a root and it was thriving because it's the perfect setup, right? It's moist, it's warm, and over winter most of the stuff broke down. I did have to turn it because, you know, it's got some leaves and stuff, but that didn't even rot. So that's what I spent today. Now the kids, they dug out what is almost like a swimming pool. I'm not sure why. This is actually where we're supposed to be planting in about, I don't know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And for reference, it's about 6 feet in diameter. So that's gonna get filled from, I guess, I don't know, somewhere. Got to do a little cleanup, obviously. I still got a root to pull out right there. But yeah, that was today. So that's ready to plant. I'll probably end up doing like maybe a raised bed here. That'll be ready probably 2 or 3 more months. And then that's gonna be my new pile for the next season. So if you guys like this kind of videos, educational, just my day, my advices, things that I do, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll just keep making product videos and whatever's entertaining for the majority of the people. So thanks for watching, and my next video will probably be making a couple more raised beds, filling up with soil, maybe here and here, and yeah, stay tuned.